This will be the elevator at Macy's home, Florence Mall in Florence, Kentucky. Got an old Otis elevator here. Elevator sign. Here it is. Still lovely. Let's go to 2. Here 2. Got down to 1. That closest does not work. Phone. Good cat view. Pretty nice elevator. Here's a certificate. Macy's 4,000 pounds. Here 1. Back up to 2. Door closest does not work. Alright, let's watch the indicator. Here we go. Here 2. Epic meter. Let's go to 1. Otis. This elevator runs pretty well. Very nice elevator for Macy's home. Music is blaring, lovely. Watch it close. Should close any second now. There it goes. And that'll be it.